The mystery of Google Maps censorship. Unseen and unexplained locations. Google Maps offers a comprehensive view of the world, enabling users to explore nearly every corner of the planet. However, there are certain places that remain either heavily blurred or entirely hidden, sparking intrigue and debate. These censored areas are often tied to security concerns, military secrets, environmental sensitivities, or government policies. This article delves into several controversial regions that Google Maps has obscured, and the reasons behind their exclusion from the public eye. 1. Moruroa Atoll, France. Located in the Pacific Ocean, Moruroa Atoll was the site of French nuclear tests from the 1960s onward. Due to its historical significance and ongoing environmental concerns, the area is heavily blurred on Google Maps. Though various theories about radiation levels circulate, the French government continues to regard the atoll as a sensitive military zone, prompting Google to obscure it for security reasons. 2. Jeannette Island, Russia. Is situated in the Arctic Ocean. Jeannette Island is another example of a location that remains veiled on Google Maps. Russia has intentionally obscured this strategically important island. Given its potential military use, it's believed that the Russian government aims to prevent external access to detailed maps of the area. 3. Area 51, USA. Perhaps the most famous censored location, Area 51 in Nevada's desert has been shrouded in mystery for decades. Widely associated with UFO conspiracies, this military base is consistently blurred on Google Maps. While the US government claims it is used for secret military testing, public speculation and theories about extraterrestrial activity persist, leading to the ongoing obscuration of the base's exact location. 4. Royal Palace, Netherlands. The Royal Palace of the Netherlands, located in Amsterdam, is another example of a sensitive area blurred for security reasons. To protect the palace's details from malicious actors, it has been obscured on Google Maps. This precaution is common for government buildings and royal residences to prevent any potential security risks. 5. North Korea. A significant portion of North Korea is obscured on Google Maps, with much of the country's infrastructure, roads, and buildings hidden or poorly rendered. This lack of detail can be attributed to the North Korean government's policy of isolating itself from the outside world. The regime has long sought to limit international access to its internal affairs, including geographic information. 6. South Korea. In a similar fashion, South Korea has a region on its western coast near the capital, Seoul, that is blurred on Google Maps. The exact reasons for this censorship are unclear, but it is suspected to be linked to security concerns due to its proximity to North Korea. 7. Sugul Military Base, Russia. Located near the Chinese border, the Sugul military base in Russia is another area that is mostly blurred on Google Maps. The Russian government is believed to hide details of this base due to its strategic importance and the sensitive nature of military exercises conducted there. 8. Sandy Island, Australia. Sandy Island, located off Australia's northeast coast, was initially mapped by Captain James Cook in the 18th century. However, in a curious turn of events, the island disappeared from Google Maps in the 21st century, only to reappear later with a strange annotation stating that the location was inaccessible. The island has been shrouded in mystery, and although no concrete explanation has been given, some suggest that it may have been mistakenly identified, while others wonder about hidden military interests. 9. Minami Torishima Air Base, Japan. This small island in the Pacific Ocean is home to a Japanese Self-Defense Force airbase. Google Maps obscures the area, likely due to its strategic military importance. The airbase is a critical part of Japan's defense system, making its precise location a matter of national security. 10. Taipei Neighborhood, Taiwan. A neighborhood in Taipei, Taiwan, is partially blurred on Google Maps, with a focus on a specific U-shaped building with red rooftops. This building is linked to the Republic of China Air Force, and its obscuration is likely a precautionary measure to protect military installations from public view. 11. Wellington, Florida, USA. A strange incident occurred in Wellington, Florida, when a missing person's car was discovered in a lake in 2019. Despite being visible on Google Maps satellite view since 2007, the car had remained unnoticed until it was discovered over a decade later. This case highlights the peculiarities of Google Maps Street View, where certain things can go unnoticed until someone stumbles upon them. 12. Baker Lake, Canada. A portion of Baker Lake in Canada is blurred on Google Maps, which has led to speculation that there may be a military or scientific facility in the area. Despite the lack of official confirmation or visible structures, the censorship of the region raises questions about what might be hidden there. The lack of explanation for this blur only deepens the mystery. Conclusion: the hidden world of Google Maps. In many cases, Google complies with government requests to blur or remove sensitive information from its maps. However, certain areas, such as Baker Lake, remain obscured without any clear reason or explanation, contributing to ongoing speculation. Whether due to military secrets, security threats, or environmental concerns, these hidden places continue to spark curiosity, fueling debates over privacy, government control, and the limits of public access to information. Google's censorship of specific locations on its maps serves to protect sensitive areas, but it also highlights the tension between transparency and security in a world that is increasingly interconnected and digitally mapped.